how to quickly and easily create unlimited poster designs in all styles, moods, and genres with custom text. And the good news is, it's all free. Here, I use Chatgpt to create structured prompts and Gemini to visualize images of the ideas or concepts we create. There are 3 core keys in this prompt guide: role, task, output, and refinement with composition and instructions. Don't worry, I won't make you dizzy or confused. I'll provide this prompt guide for you in the description. Click the like button first if you enjoyed this video. Okay, the first step is to copy the prompt guide into Chatgpt. Chatgpt will then ask for a story concept and idea. In this case, you just need to create a title and short story based on your desired story idea. The structure should be roughly like the example below and include whether you're uploading your own images. Once you've entered your concept, Chatgpt will automatically create a structured prompt for you. This includes genre, art style, title, tagline, and other elements. Of course, you can edit it if it's not quite what you want. Next, copy the generated prompt and let's head over to Gemini. Here, I will not upload reference images. I just want to know the result first. And here's the result. It's good enough to be a movie poster. Now I'll upload a picture of the model as the main character in the story. And I think it can be said to be quite similar according to the model image we uploaded. Now I will make a poster with a different story. Maybe that's all for now. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.